I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting Incognito now. Open the Samsung Internet app and go straight to the tabs icon. This gives you tab controls. Once there, tap the mask icon or select Turn on Secret Mode to activate Incognito browsing. You do this to prevent history, cookies, and form data from being saved locally. Make sure to set or confirm a passcode if prompted so secret tabs stay private. This first step immediately switches your session into a non-recording mode for safer browsing. Now manage your secret session. Tap the plus to open a new secret tab. Each new secret tab stays separate from regular tabs. Once done, switch between normal and secret modes in the tabs view to compare sessions. If you need to close everything quickly, use the close all or trash icon to remove secret tabs and leave no active pages. This helps prevent accidental mixing of saved logins or cookies and keeps private searches isolated from your regular browsing. To finish, close secret tabs and exit secret mode from the tabs view. Tap the mask or profile and choose close secret mode so the browser returns to normal. Remember, downloads and files remain on your device, so manually delete any saved items if privacy matters. If secret mode won't activate, make sure Samsung Internet is updated, toggle the app closed, and restart your phone if needed. These steps resolve most issues and ensure secret mode behaves as intended for private browsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.